Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, which are right here. So let's tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner, and as you can see in this window which just popped out, we've got the timer option on the third position, and we've got three different options from which we can choose. So currently the timer is off, it is set here. What's more, this crossed out icon is highlighted in this bluish color, and we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, and all you have to do is to simply tap on it. As you can see, it is notified right here. This icon is highlighted. What's more, it is also notified on the shutter button, thanks to which you can always check if you've got the timer set. So let's tap on shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, it depends which option you will pick, so it can be 10 seconds or the 3 seconds, it will work the same. So if you want to turn off the timer, just tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.